What's going on, guys? Nadeska Alexis here for Complex News. This week, Birdman gave one of the most legendary interviews of his career in less than 3 minutes. He rolled through to The Breakfast Club, threatened Charlamagne, Angela Yee, and Envy, demanded respect, then stormed out.
Nigga, when my name come up, respect it.
Let's go.
Stop playing with my fucking name. All three of y'all.
The only thing missing from the interview was him being carried out of the room like...
Yeah, come on, man. Bad boy.
According to DJ Envy, Birdman actually called after storming out to apologize and said that he would like to come back to the show to speak to everyone face to face, but Charlamagne says he's cool on Birdman and doesn't need to have any more conversations with him ever.
Put a big change on my platform. Now I know what I'm about to say might get some people upset. Like my brother Dr. Reggie, my brother Polite, my brother Shaka Utmost, the General Cyrus Supasetti, my brother Unk from the Armin Ra Squad. Because I'm being a bigger person. I always say that Sarnetta TV, what do I say? Do I say Sarnetta TV belong to you, right? Don't I always say that, family? I always say that this is for you. This is your platform. So I want to give the voice to my people. This is for you out there, family. This platform that I'm standing on. All right? So, I want to issue an apology to my Hebrew Israelite brothers, to my Moorish brothers that's out there, to my 5% brothers, to my Muslim brothers, to all those black organizations that's out there that feels in your heart that you are doing something good for the people. I have let my people down. What I mean by that? What I mean by that, family, is that I have become biased in my own way. I've been showing a lot of love and giving more credit to the Kemetic side and the Black Power side that I represent. And I want to say to my Hebrews, to my Moors, to my Muslim brothers, that I was wrong for doing that. I was wrong for doing that, for being biased towards my brothers. This is a platform for the Hebrews, for the Moors, for the Muslims, and I have to stand up as a man and say that the House of Consciousness and Sarnetta TV will not limit the information to just the Kemetic side of the family. I'm coming clean today, letting you know that I was wrong, that I was biased, and I will not do that again. The Hebrews are my brothers. The Moors are my brothers. And I, now, in 2016, are falling back. And I'm doing this the right way it's supposed to be done. Regardless of what I believe in or who I side with, I'm not doing that no more. This is why I already took the first steps into saying the views and opinions of those that speak at the House of Consciousness does not necessarily apply to Sarnetta TV. That's the first step. 2016, I am no longer pro-polite. 2016, I am no longer pro-Reggie, pro-Shaka Utmost, pro-Cyrus Supasetti, pro-Armin Ra Squad. This is the new Sarnetta, and I'm changing for that, for the purpose of giving our people the information.
Pull up.
And this is positive. This is a positive show. I want to first say that. This is a positive show. So, I want to first issue an apology to my brother Red Pill and the Blue Pill. I want to issue an apology. You know, my emotions got the best of me. Because, yeah, I'm still upset. And I want to say I apologize to my brother Red Pill and the whole Red Pill family for even saying something crazy like that. I'm supposed to know better than that. You know, but I don't know. I just was snapping on every fucking body. I don't know. So, let me do this right. We moving out the old year and we moving into a new year. I want to do it right, man. I want to get back to doing what I've been doing. Cause I admit I've been off my path. I've been off the Sarota Mustaqim. You know what I'm saying? A real strong, sincere apology goes out to my brother Red Pill. I apologize to you, brother. I let a lot of shit get to me because, you know, I ain't no because. I'm just saying I apologize to you, Red Pill, to the Mother Pill, to the KC, the Arts Degree, to the Blue Pill. Apologize to my brothers. I was wrong. I admit it. And I apologize to you, to the real family that's out there. I apologize to you. You ain't gotta worry about your brother coming back on here going crazy, venting, cause I'm getting back into bringing this knowledge and information right back. The debate is over with, water spilled down the bridge, so what, it's only fucking paper, right? Y'all say it's only fucking money, fuck it, fuck the money, don't destroy my family because of the money, fuck it. Take it as a loss, chalk it up, Sarnetta. Now, move the fuck forward, let's get back to business, helping our people. Shout out to Old Guard and Solamai. I know we started off rough, but goddamn it, shout out to them brothers. You know what I'm saying? Because we've been building. Shout out to them brothers as well. And I'm gonna also say shout out to Joel. I apologize to the whole family because I'm moving in another direction for 17. So even Joel, see if I could do that, even though I know I felt that I was wrong and slighted, man, shout out to them too. Now because I'm shouting out to them, somebody said, Sarnetta lost his damn mind. No, I didn't. I'm in my mind. See, people don't know what they want. 1 minute you lost your mind, 1 minute you crazy, 1 minute you want to see Sarnetta turned up, the next minute when I turn up, you want to see me bugging. Come on, man. Izzy, what do y'all want, man? Shout out to my brother Herman Smalls as well, because he's been giving me some real good counsel and positive advice. Shout out to a cable like mine. And of course, fucking Dr. Reggie. Shout out to my man, fucking Dr. Reggie. Shout out to King Simon. Shout out to my man.
Get ugly.
Brother, I know you know I'm live right now. Okay, now right there, watch this, y'all. This gonna fuck y'all up right here. What I'm about to say. This gonna fuck y'all up.
Damn,
I'm gonna say shout out to Seti and shout out to Young Pharaoh. Y'all heard? Because I'm moving on. Shout out to Seti and shout out to Young Pharaoh. Wow. That shit right there, did you hear me? Because I'm moving on, and I want to get all this shit. I don't want to go into this next year carrying this motherfucking baggage. I'm 50 fucking 3 years old, man. You hear me? I don't want to go into another year carrying this fucking hatred in my heart. So I'm gonna do it again without stopping. I want to issue an apology to Sarah Superset, Young Pharaoh, my brother for life, Joel. I'm just cleansing out right now, and I'm gonna move forward. Even Umar Johnson, man, because I'm gonna show y'all something. I got a clip from Umar Johnson, and I'm gonna play it, and y'all gotta hear it. And I respect what he has said and what he has done. That shit, just to hear Umar Johnson say that shit, it means a lot.
enemies who ain't nothing but trouble. Baby, I'ma tell you some only kind.